Welcome back to Information 365. In this video we are discussing, what are wormholes? Do they really exist? Make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Consider two towns on opposing sides of a mountain. People from these towns would have to travel all the way around the mountain to see each other. They could, however, dig a tunnel straight through the mountain to create a shortcut if they wanted to get there faster. That is the concept of a wormhole. A wormhole is a tunnel between two distant points in our universe that reduces the time it takes to travel from one to the other. Instead of traveling for millions of years from one galaxy to another, under the right conditions, a wormhole could theoretically reduce travel time to hours or minutes. Wormholes, because they are shortcuts through space-time, have the potential to act as time machines. You could emerge from one end of a wormhole at a different time than when you entered the other. While there is no evidence that wormholes exist in our world, they are useful tools for astrophysicists like me to think about space and time. They may also provide answers to age-old questions about the nature of the universe. Is it true or false? Because of these fascinating characteristics, many science fiction writers use wormholes in their novels and films. Scientists, like writers, have been captivated by the concept of wormholes. While no wormholes have been discovered in our universe, scientists frequently see wormholes described in the solutions to important physics equations. Wormholes are prominent among the solutions to the equations underlying Einstein's theory of spacetime and general relativity. This theory describes the universe's shape and how stars, planets, and other objects move through it. Some scientists believe wormholes exist somewhere in the universe because Einstein's theory has been tested numerous times and found to be correct each time. Other scientists, however, believe that wormholes cannot exist because they are too unstable. Every object in the universe, including Earth, is affected by gravity's constant pull. Gravity would therefore have an effect on wormholes as well. Scientists who are skeptical of wormholes believe that the middle of the wormhole would collapse under its own gravity after a short time unless there was some force pushing outward from inside the wormhole to counteract that force. The most likely method would be to use negative energies, which would oppose gravity and stabilize the wormhole. While wormholes are fascinating concepts, they have yet to be accepted by mainstream science, but that doesn't mean they don't exist. Black holes, which astrophysicists know exist in our universe, weren't accepted when scientists first proposed them in the 1910s. Einstein first proposed his famous field equations in 1915, and after only 1 year, German scientist Karl Schwarzschild discovered a way to mathematically describe black holes. This description, however, was so strange that the leading scientists of the time refused to believe that black holes could exist in nature. It took 50 years for people to take black holes seriously. The term black hole was not even coined until 1967. Wormholes could do the same thing. It may take some time for scientists to reach an agreement on whether or not they can exist. However, if they find strong evidence pointing to the existence of wormholes, which they may be able to do by observing unusual movements in star orbits,